Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will know how to make your mic sound like trash on Discord. To make your mic sound intentionally distorted or trash on Discord, you can adjust a few settings to increase the volume and add distortion. First, in Discord user settings under voice and video, disable automatically determine input sensitivity and manually lower the sensitivity slider to make your mic pick up even the faintest sounds, creating a harsh effect. Increase the input volume to its maximum, which will amplify all noise and make the sound loud and distorted. For more control, you can use third-party software like Voicemeeter Banana or Equalizer APO to add more extreme distortion effects or manipulate the mic's output. Additionally, placing your microphone very close to your mouth or even touching it will produce unpleasant, overly loud sounds. If you are using a high-quality mic, you can deliberately adjust its settings to overdrive the input, making it sound unnatural and trash. These adjustments will make your mic pick up noise at an intense level, creating a distorted and noisy output. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!